In the context of CPA, cost per action, marketing, SOI stands for single opt-in. SOI refers to a type of lead generation process where users are required to provide their information and complete a specific action, typically filling out a form, to express their interest in a particular offer or campaign. With SOI campaigns, once a user submits the required information, such as their name and email address, they are considered a lead without needing to confirm or verify their email address through a secondary step. This means that the user's information is captured with just a single action or opt-in. SOI campaigns are often used in CPA marketing as they provide a relatively easier and quicker way to generate leads compared to double opt-in (DOI) campaigns. In a DOI campaign, users are required to confirm their email address through a verification link sent to their inbox before being considered a valid lead. It's worth noting that while SOI campaigns can generate leads faster, they may be more prone to receiving incorrect or false information since there is no secondary verification step. However, SOI can still be a viable approach in certain CPA marketing scenarios, depending on the specific goals and requirements of the campaign.